Hello everybody, welcome to Marge the Barge, the narrowboat that Roy renovated. We are now just going underneath the barge. We're picking it up from North Killingworth Wharf and it's snowy and we're having trouble getting it out, but we do eventually. There you can see the vehicle's trying to rock it out. Lots of spectators, but can I say at this point the chaps at the Killingworth Wharf were so helpful and they went out of their way to help us, which I can't thank them enough. We're now trying to get it out. We managed to get it off the pitch and now Neil is attempting to reverse it onto the main road. It's a very tricky manoeuvre because you can't go too far over because it's icy and will start spinning again. Nothing coming that way. Right, we managed to get it out onto the road safely. We're on our way home. She's looking good on the trailer anyway. Right, we've arrived at the place of, or where it's going to be stored for a few weeks until we get things right. He's just turning it round. He's now going to back it into the factory gates. You can see the fat controller in the middle of the road with his high-vis vest on. It's quite a manoeuvre in getting it in through the gate. This is the tricky bit, getting it in down here through the loading bay. There's the fat controller again. Roy the boy, that. It's me. Slowly but surely she's coming through because we can go all the way through the factory. There's another door at the back end. It actually looks quite good nicky on that photograph, but believe me, it's not. But we got it at the right price. Oh, this is its new resting place for the time being. When the better weather comes and we can get on with it, it's actually going inside. We've earmarked a space for it so we can work on it inside. It'll be a lot warmer. Yeah. Catch you in the next vid or vlog. I'll get used to this. This is my first time.